Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last video I said if I got 10 likes I would make another one. That's what I'm doing now, so whatever. It goes like this. This is the last chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Oh, I'm sorry, I messed that up. Let me do that again. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Just like normal. So normal. A major 7. Okay, and then it goes back to this chord. Sort of just like the chorus. It's pretty much just like another chorus. However, we go to the 6th chord right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Kind of like in the verse. Whoops. But after the E6 chord, you're gonna go to the B minor 11. 2, 3, 4, 1. Ba, 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 ba. Just like that. Okay, I'll do it one more time. Pay attention. 1. Oh, snagged that one. So see how I like to finger it like this, just because it sort of feels like in the verse how we went to D sus2, right? You just slide these up, but in this case it's actually B minor 11. They're very similar, right? Look at that. It's just one note like you add to the bass. Here's D sus2. Whoops, there it is. B sus2, and then here's B minor 11 like that. I dig it. That's pretty much all there is to it. So yeah, it's a short video. What is it? I can't even tell, like 2 minutes. Anyway, I made the video. I got 10 likes. Yo, if this gets 5 likes, I'll make another video about something else.